Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share one of Cricut Design Space's newest update, and this might be one of my favorite updates yet. Cricut released an auto mirror function in the Make It screen when you're doing heat transfer vinyl projects, iron-on, infusible ink projects, and things like that. So let's go into the Make It screen and I will show you how this works. This design has a ton of different colors in it. Let's say I'm making a t-shirt and I'm cutting all of these out on either heat transfer vinyl or iron-on vinyl. So I'm going to click continue. I'm sure most of you know that if you are cutting iron-on, heat transfer vinyl, infusible ink, you'll need to mirror your design. And I think every single one of us has forgotten to mirror at one point or another, which is always so frustrating because it ends up wasting your material, wasting your time. So Cricut just came out with this update where it will automatically mirror for you. Typically what you have to do is go in here and select mirror before you cut it out, and it's very easy to forget. So now with Cricut Design Space, if you click on Everyday Iron-On or Infusible Ink, it will automatically do it for you. So let's test it out. I am going to select Everyday Iron-On. You can see this prompt come up. It says Design Space automatically turns mirror on for iron-on projects. I am so excited about this update. My only concern was every once in a while I'll want to use a setting, but then what happens if I don't want to mirror it? You can easily just select mirror again. It'll say based on your material selection, mirror should be on for optimal results, but you can turn it off if you need to, which is also great. Now let's try selecting Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet, and as you can see, it will automatically mirror it for that as well. Sometimes I do like to mirror my design for other materials, such as like foil. Foil is very delicate, and I like to actually turn the material upside down and mirror it so that the cut lines are a little bit nicer on that prettier foil side, if that makes sense. But this is easy. All you have to do, let's say I click foil. It's not going to automatically mirror it, but I can turn the mirror on if I want to still. It's nice, you can still manually turn the mirror on and off if you wish. Here's a whole bunch of other settings for iron-on, and let's just see if it turns these on as well. I'm just gonna pick a random one. And yep, you can see it turned on. I'm really excited about this. Let me know what you think in the comments. I do wonder why it took so long. For years and years they have not had this, but I am still very happy about it. Let me know what you think. Also, if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe. I try to share all the new updates with Cricut Design Space, and on my channel I share different Cricut projects, tutorials, crafting, sublimation, things like that.